Upskilling just got easier with the new NTU Continuing Education Learner Portal. As a self-service platform, the portal allows you to update your personal particulars through MyInfo integration. Explore the NTU catalog with ease and discover courses tailored to your goals. Register your interest to get notified as soon as registration opens. With just a few clicks, read through the program details and easily apply. Pay your way and enjoy variable payment options and instant confirmation through Flywire. You can even create and manage different types of requests, such as transfers and leave of absences, as well as take action on your pending tasks, such as payments and program offer acceptance. Effortlessly view and manage all your current programs while keeping tabs on your pending payments as well as your history of transactions. Celebrate your achievements and access your certificates in the portal. With OpenCert integration, you'll be better prepared for career opportunities and future growth. With the new Learner Portal, your learning journey isn't just easier, it's smarter, more convenient, and within your control. Begin your journey of upskilling for the future with the NTU Continuing Education Learner Portal.